Oh my god. Hello guys, hello. Look at this. Oh my god. I think cutting these bangs was definitely, I'm kind of regretting that because it's so difficult for me to set them every day. But anyway, this is not what this vlog or video is going to be about. So if you see me all glammed up, well, I just finished up a tutorial. I did this live look just now, okay, with a new palette. I showed you guys that palette already in my previous video, guys. It's such a pigmented palette from Beauty Bay. Oh my god, you guys have to check them out because this palette is a killer. I bought that only for £13 when it was on sale on Black Friday and stuff. But the best palette ever. It's so pigmented, it has all the colors that you would actually need. The whole spectrum is there. Love it so much. I cannot wait to keep creating more tutorials and looks. But yeah, this was the live tutorial. If you want to watch it, I'll give you guys a link. You can watch me do this makeup. And you know what the fun thing is? Today, while I was doing my makeup, somebody actually challenged me to complete my whole tutorial within 40 minutes. Now, usually when I do a full glam, it takes me more than an hour to complete the look. But today, I filmed it somehow within 40 minutes and I was done. And I did it live. I cannot believe myself. That was quick, and I think I didn't do a very bad job. Not bad at all, actually. I also tried the new Revolution concealer, and yeah, I was trying to hide my dark circles, and I think it managed it quite well. I like the concealer. It's a little heavy, but it's fine. I don't think I would prefer that for daytime, you know. It's this one here, the Revolution Conceal and Define, and the shade that I got was C4 because I really like my under eyes super bright, you know, because it makes my eye makeup stand out quite a lot. So yeah, that's what I did. But anyway, you know what? This vlog is not about this. What we're doing today, you know, my father is so sweet. Sometimes he goes in the market, if he sees like lots of fresh fruits or whatever, he just brings stuff, right? So remember the other day he brought lots of berries and all that, especially when I was ill. But anyway, today he got lots of vegetables and I'm like, oh, that's interesting. Where do you get all this from? But anyway, he got some aubergines and stuff and so many other things, you know. Like, I think we're like one of those families that we love groceries. So everybody, every time we're out, any one of us, whatever we see, whatever is fresh, whatever, we just bring it all together. All of us love grocery shopping, like every single person here. But anyway, what I want to do, I want to cut those aubergines and I want to fry them with some masala. I'm going to make pakori wala masala, okay, the pakora masala and stuff. And I'm going to coat the aubergines in the same masala. I'm going to make that and show you guys. I know it's not the healthiest thing ever. It's not healthy at all actually, but you know, sometimes it's really cold in London. Sometimes you just want something yummy with your chai, with your tea, and in the evening we all have like tea together and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, for now everybody's at work and all anyway, so I'm kind of alone with my mom at home right now. So anyway, let's go to the kitchen and I'm gonna make some aubergine and fry them up and show you guys what I do. I'm show you guys a recipe. They come out so yummy and it's so quick to make also. And then we're gonna enjoy some tea. And I'm also, yeah, I think after that I'm also gonna go live on my Instagram because I usually go live on my Instagram just to have food, like to do dinner and stuff. So I'm gonna have dinner with my Instagram family. So let's go to the kitchen for now. Let's go. I also have this charger in my hand because I'm gonna put this on charging in the kitchen while I work, just so that if I go live later on my Instagram, then at least my phone would still be charged. And yes, I've stopped using cameras for my videos for now because it gets too much technical for me, and then editing and all that takes me ages, and then what that does, it really puts me off from posting anything at all. So then I don't post anything anymore. I don't want that. So I think with this device, it's just so easy and quick. I mean, these bangs though. Let's go. Hello guys, I'm in the kitchen. It's super cold, so I just thought I should cover up a little bit myself, you know, because every time I cook or fry something, I have to like open that door from the storeroom. That is why it's getting a little cold here. Also, if I put the ventilator and stuff on, it's just too loud for the video. I don't want any disturbance. I want it very silent here. So yeah, that is why I had to open the door. Well, I just recovered from my flu and stuff, so I just thought I should cover up like this, you know. But anyway, let's cook. So we have about 1 cup gram flour. Here we have some mint. It's frozen, so that's why it looks like a little weird. But this is mint and some coriander. I think about 2 spoons should be enough, okay? And then for the masalas, we have zira or jeera. I don't really know what you call that in English, but anyway. Half a spoon black pepper. 1 spoon salt. I might need some more later. I just don't want to go wrong as of yet. This is 1 spoon garam masala. I love the taste of garam masala in my pakoras and all that. We have some red chili, also about 1 spoon. I'm gonna just add a little bit of sliced, very thinly sliced onion, and then here is a healthy ass aubergine. Okay, I'm gonna slice that like nice thick slices, not too thin, okay, because I don't like it too crispy. I like the flesh a little bit, you know. And what I also like to add in here is the baking powder, because I like when the masala overall is a bit more like fluffy and not too crusty. Okay, let's start. Obviously you'll need to dilute your gram flour with some water to just get like a nice thick consistency. Once you have like this thick consistency, the chopped little onions go in there. Well, I tried to be very thin with the onions. I just hate cutting onions. Now also let's just add all the masalas in there. Very little baking powder, maybe less than half a spoon basically. Now mix it up. I might need some more water at the end. For now we are good. This is actually ready. Now let's go ahead and cut our aubergine into pieces and slices so we can coat it with this and then fry it. Look how nicely we've cut the slices. What I want to do next, I want to actually coat it with some salt and pepper, because I'm really deciding that I want to make them a little bit spicy. And just rub it on the surface and just let it sit for a second. I did actually ended up adding a bit more salt because it was less, so I used maybe about 2 little teaspoons of salt at this point, but it tastes perfect now. Okay, these are now marinating in the damn masala, and next what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna coat that like this, you know. Now we can fry this because the oil is ready. Guys, whatever was left, I actually coated some chilies because my mom was like, do some mirchi also. Look at that. You just have to slice them from the middle a little bit, like a little cut, and then you coat them and then you fry them. Yummy. That is certainly very spicy. Oh my goodness, but it's super yummy. This is nice because it's spicy plus a little sweet. The aubergine was very fresh and sweet, so this is a nice combination. Super yummy, but a little spicy. I'm actually gonna go live on Instagram shortly. I might eat this with my Instagram family. I'll catch you guys there on Instagram. This was for the purpose of the video, but I have some more here. But I'm gonna create a little plate for myself now because I'm gonna leave the rest for the family. I can't eat all of this anyway. I'm gonna take a few of these chilies, more of these, and yes, and then go live on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching.